And here's how to turn on music haptics. Go to your iPhone settings app and here tap on accessibility. Here scroll down and tap on music haptics and enable music haptics option. Now to play sample, tap here and sample haptics will play. Okay, now to add music haptics in your control center, open control center, long press on empty space, tap on add a control and tap on search controls and type here music and add the music haptics control. And here if you see this music haptics unavailable option, it means if you're using official subscriptions for music app, then this error will be automatically fixed. So using this music haptics control, you will be able to easily on and off music haptics from your control center. Thanks for watching.